Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you mole concept. The term mole is actually related to the quantity of a substance. Generally, we categorized the quantity of a substance by its mass. But in a chemical equation or reaction, the number of atom and the molecules which are taking part in that reactions are very important. So, it is more convenient to refer to the quantity of a substance in term of number of its molecule or atoms rather than their masses. So, a new unit mole was introduced. Actually, the 1 mole of any species like atom, molecules or particles is that quantity in number having a mass equal to its atomic or molecular mass in grams. If you have seen that generally we are using some particular units for particular substances, like suppose if we want to purchase banana, we are using dozen for that particular things. In 1 dozen we have the 12 bananas. If you purchase the 24 banana, we will use the 2 dozen. So this dozen is just unit for a particular substance. Likewise, we have this unit mole or the term mole especially for the number of particles, atoms or molecules present in the particular substance. Right? Now the number of particles like atoms, molecules or ion present in 1 mole is fixed, and that is 6.022 into 10 is to power 23. Now this is in the number form, so it doesn't carry any unit. Student, this number is also called Avogadro number, or we can call it Avogadro constant. Avogadro constant, or we can also call it Avogadro number, and it is represented by capital NO. In this chapter, students, mostly we have to cover the numericals based on the mole concept. But before starting the numerical, we should know some terms and their symbols. Here we have some terms and the symbols. Now, number of moles we can represent by the small n. Given mass, the mass which will be given in your numerical, that is called the given mass, and it is represented by small m. Then molar mass. Molar mass of any element or the compound is represented by capital M. And the given number of particles or atom, that is represented by capital N. Now student, before starting the numerical, we have to discuss about some formulas. Now the first formula is related to the finding the number of moles. And for finding the number of moles, we have the formula